Go to the font website on the browser. Then download any font you want by tapping on the download button on the right side of the font. Now tap on the arrow icon and select the download option. Here, navigate to the downloaded files and unzip the downloaded zip. After that, it'll show you as a new folder and tap on the folder to open it. Next, open the Canva app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Select the brand option and reach the brand kits. Following that, tap on the three dots shown here and choose the Add Brand Kit to a folder. In your brand kit, you'll see the font option and select Upload a Font by hitting the plus icon. Now tap on plus icon and locate the downloaded by searching in the search bar. Tap on it to upload it in the Canva app. After that, go to the home page and hit the plus icon at the center. Here, tap on Customize Size and select any size you want. Next, select any template or design you want and tap on Text at the bottom line. Then tap on Add a Heading and type any text you want. Following that, it'll show you the font option at the bottom line. Tap on Font and select the font that you've been uploaded in Canva. Lastly, it'll show you the text in the uploaded font. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.